And we're back with challenge 23, and the objective says chart colors are not correct. They should match our brand color, which is that color right there. Can you help? So, usually changing colors is a CSS issue, but we'll see what the code actually says. So, the body of the code, it renders 3 components, and it says hello FF. Is it meant to say hello FF? Yeah, it is. Start editing to see some magic happen. That's at the moment. That's down there, I mean. Okay, so I'm assuming these 3 charts are the components. So the apex chart, the high chart, and the chart list. So let's start with this one. Alright, so I press Control, hold Control, and then press click. Okay, so it's taken us to something, so that means the code is ours. We can at least, we have some sort of wiggle room when it comes to editing. And charts is imported from React Apex chart, so it looks like that one is not ours. Okay, so let's go back. So we may have to do some Googling to understand what Apex chart is all about. So the chart says the series, the width. Let's just change that to 200, see what happens. Okay, so there's some sort of, this does actually change some things in the chart, so that's good. I'm going to click into SCSS. CSS. It's not SAS. Okay, so there's nothing there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to Google Apex charts and see if there's how to change the color in Apex. There it is, it comes up. Colors. Setting colors of series. Oh, don't want to be updated. The primary set for the colors. So fill. So there is a way to do it. It looks like you have to add it in here. So okay, so if we go through it, we can see that this may be a way to change it. So inside the state, not options, not series. So here, you can put it there. Okay, and this is just a test. I want to know how to call it though, like how to actually, got it, how to actually add it. So just from looking at, just from comparing it to the code that we already have, it says options, and then it says this dot state dot options. So I'm going to see what happens if I put colors equals this dot state dot colors. That probably won't do anything, but if I remove one, nope. Colors. Okay, so that's an array, that's why. So if I change it like that, no. That was a long shot. That was me completely guessing. Right, so I'm just gonna play around with this for a while. You can set the colors of the data labels using this. Okay, so let's try this one. It's saying that you can set it, but it's not really giving a place to add it in. So it's great that you can display it like here, but if there's no way to actually add it in. Right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'll put data labels, and then this dot state dot style dot colors, and then what I'll do is I'll put 0. Okay, that's why. Data. Oh, I can spell. Labels dot style. Okay, let's see what happens there. Okay, not at all. Okay, let's actually read the console. I may have been doing it wrong. So the issue is we need to see how it actually, we know how it's displayed, but we need to see how it's actually passed through into the body. Integrations maybe, React charts. Okay, so here's the example that we have. We just need an example with the actual color. Okay, so there's no, it's not really helpful, there's no example with the colors. Okay, so let's change. Go back. Delete that. Right, so somewhere it's naturally passing the color. So let's click into this one. Actually read through it. No. Excuse me, sneezing. Okay, so what I would then do is I would stick to basic CSS and try and go back to responsive, try and find the color there. So it's SVG. Open it up. Okay, so it is being opened up. Okay, looks like we're getting closer. Nope. Okay, the line looks promising. So let's put FFF. It's just me playing around. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was too many F's. Okay. No worries. So this one says FFF. Okay, let's do 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Huh. Trying to find where the line's actually. Where is the line? Okay. Apex chart toolbar. This one's taking me a bit too long. Okay, so if that doesn't work, you know, check one more time. Yeah, so if that doesn't work, what I would do is I would go to Stack Overflow, because that's actual people. I want to display asymmetric columns, change the color from red to white. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So he set your colors in options. Okay. Okay, maybe I missed that. So you set the colors in options. Okay, so how do I then pass it? Okay, so let's try that. There's options. There you go. Ah, there we go. Stack Overflow never fails. So all I have to do then is change that. There we go. Oh, that's 2 hashtags. Let's do just because. Okay, that's that one. Oh, and there's 2 more. Okay, so the second one I believe was high. Yeah, high charts. So let's do the same thing, Stack Overflow, but high charts. Go straight to Stack Overflow. I'm not messing around this time. So I have a high chart, different colors. I want to set it. Okay, so with this one, try this. So color equals color. That's less helpful. Okay, so this is the code we're gonna try and compare it to. Series, so there's series. It's inside the curly braces. Color FF, that's okay, so let's try that. Inside the curly braces. There we go, it worked. Okay, so that's the second one done. Okay, and a third and final one, which was chart list. So control and click. And let's do the same thing, Stack Overflow, chart list. Did I spell that wrong? It's React chart list. There we go. Red, pink, okay, so I figured it out. I had to go into CSS and overwrite. Okay, so this person straight up went into CSS file and copied all this. I don't want to change the margin, so I'll just change the colors. So in our CSS file, there we go. And that was, this one's the longest challenge yet. Yeah, so this was just a lot of Googling. It wasn't much. Yeah, this is more of a debugging issue. It wasn't actually a React issue. But at least you can see the steps I go through to problem solve. So thanks very much.